Select the 16:9 ratio of the project. Open Media and select Black Background. Extend the length of background up to 9 seconds. Move the line on 1 second. Click Layer and select Text. Write any text. Change font, if you want. Extend text length and make it equal to background length. Click in Animation and select Wipe Right Animation. Slower down the animation up to 3. Click Layer and select Effect. Select Wave Warp Effect. Extend its length equal to background length. Resize it as shown. Click Animation option. Change the position of time and move the effect slightly right side. As shown. Again, click Layer and select Basic Effect. Select Gaussian Blur Effect. Repeat the process same as did with Wave Warp Effect. Open Media and select the Smoke Effect video. Select Video and duplicate it as layer. Move the video layer beneath the background. Delete the original video. Resize the video layer as shown. Scroll down the option bar. Click the blending and select screen option. You can export it. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.